Hey, what's going on, class? So once you click the link to Schedule Galaxy, this is what it brings you to. This is the home page to find all of your schedule needs. So scroll down, you see the schools right up here in the top left corner. Scroll down, here is the month. It's August right now, highlighted in the red. And we got some events coming up. So let's go to next month. That's really when school starts. Alright, so the red is highlighted away matches. Varsity golf is away this day. And the next day they are home, highlighted in blue. You can see all the events that are on the same day, so there's a lot, as we do have a lot of sports. But to clear the clutter, you can go over to the left-hand side here. Your school name is right up here. Now let's look at the football schedule. So football, and you have the option of varsity, JV, or 7th to 8th grade. We're going to look at the varsity schedule. Year 2021, 2022. So, first game is on the 3rd. It is away at Scholarville. Followed by our next game would be the 10th, the regular season, home at Ichabod Crane. So, that's how you find that. So, to show you once more, let's go to volleyball. So, girls volleyball is played during this time. So, let's find girls. And let's go to varsity. Look at the schedule. Their first game is on the 2nd, away at Greenville. And their next game would be a few days, which is home against Taconic Hills. So, that is a little in-depth review of how the schedule works. To go back, put Hudson right up there. Go back to the main page. Also, once games have started, we'll do some recaps on football, and we'll see how that goes, and then we can take it to soccer, volleyball, all the other good stuff. So let us know what you want to see, and if you have any questions, please reach out, and have a good rest of your day. Peace out.